All right, here we have an absolutely amazing 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. And guess what? This car is for real. This car is legit, ladies and gentlemen. This is a numbers matching 396 with an automatic transmission, beautifully restored. And this car is restored in its correct color. I know you see a lot of people repaint these cars red no matter what color they were originally. This car was originally a cranberry red car, black stripe, black vinyl roof. This car is presented as it was born, the way you see it right here. And the better part of this is it is documented bulletproof. We have the original build sheet, we have the Protecto plate, the original sales invoice from when the car was purchased new. And as I mentioned, it is numbers matching as well. And there's other paperwork that comes with it too, but those are kind of the highlighted pieces that make this car absolutely no doubt. It is what it is, real deal car. This is not a clone. Excuse me. So as we're going around this, you can also see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And there you'll be able to see the pictures of the inside, the outside, underside, also the pictures of the documentation that I just mentioned. So you'll be able to see the build sheet, Protecto plate, etc. You'll be able to see the engine stamp showing that it's numbers matching. And wow, is all I can say. The only thing that's sad is that all the pictures in the videos don't even do this car justice. It is extremely straight, very nice paint as you can see there. And it runs and drives as good as it looks. Take a look at the interior here. And you can get a look and see, naturally there's no rust or anything on this car. So if you're looking for a real deal Chevelle, this is the one with no excuses. You can see the car's it's got less than 1,000 miles since the restoration. It's reading 851. The dash pad's in great shape. Of course, the interior, everything was redone. Headliner's good. It's everything you'd expect this car to be. Take a look at the other side here quick as we're walking around. As I said, this car was born with the black vinyl roof as well, and that is factory correct. You'll see also there's no bubbling or anything like that along the vinyl roof. Sometimes folks worry about that. No issues there whatsoever. Now again, you can see the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. And you'll see all the documentation and photos there. What a sweet car. All right. You see the doors closed. Look at the body gap there on the doors is good. They weren't perfect from the factory, and compared to nowadays, the standard for body gaps and stuff is a little different. But back then, hey, she looks pretty good. All right, so I'm going to open the hood, and we'll get the car fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood's open. We'll get her fired up here. And she's running. Let's go outside and take a look here. As I mentioned before, this car is powered by its original numbers matching 396 Chevrolet Big Block. Also equipped with power brakes, power steering. You can see on the restoration, they even went, it's got the correct clamps, hoses. Very nice job done on this car with the attention to detail. The manifold there. And of course the car, as I mentioned before, runs as good as it looks. Let's go around back and take a listen while we look down the body side here. Alright, so that was a cold start. She's just warming up here, but she doesn't sound too bad. So again, you can see all the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are always welcome. Financing is available, and this car does qualify for an extended warranty as well.